morning. Another day, another trip on the way to the airport. That's why it's a birthday trip. So we got a cake yesterday. It was fun to kickstart the vibes. It's a birthday. She refuses to come in my vlogs and then just this in the back.
Yeah, that's
Give a shout out again. My mom was waiting to be in the vlog. That's it. That's my fam and Papa's are here. We'll show you all once we reach them. So we're at the lounge. It's coming back to that. It's my sister's birthday trip. She is a spoiled brat and wants to take trips on her birthday every time. So that's why. Coming at the airport makes me realize how much I don't like kids so much. Like, I don't think I like kids. They're just constantly screaming. We were shooting our reel and this man got so scared. We had to do like we're sisters traveling wala reel, and you have to scream and say it, right? So he literally got scared. He thought there's some prank video or something going on. जिसका कोई नहीं होता उसका Indigo होता है. And of course we booked the flights very end moment. That's our Indigo. This was the vibe set by my fam. And of course the flight was delayed, but we somehow managed to reach pretty much in afternoon. That's Didi's spirit animal. With those big eyes. We have reached our destination, that is Maldives. We are waiting for a speedboat, so uske liye time lag jayega. And we are just gonna eat some Burger King, having like really good fries. Yes, I cannot believe this is gonna be home for the next 4 freaking days. Everything's so pretty. I wanna move here. I literally wanna move here. Food is honestly AVG, but let's try the pizza. Guys, this is our room. This is the entire bathroom area and a shower area. We also have a lagoon, pool, jacuzzi kind of a thing. Looks damn... Okay, I don't know how to open this. Okay, it's locked from down, whatever. So this, and the room's pretty cute. This is the bed. The best part about this room, it opens directly to a beach. Just look at that. Beach outfit ready. We've come to take some photos before the sun sets, and just vibes are vibing. Drinks are drinking. I'm looking all pink and as in my prime that I could look. That's Didi just getting out of her room. That's literally our room and you can just walk to the beach. Just watching the sun go down. The perfect way to start a good occasion like my sister's birthday, because she's the best. This is me saying all of this, all the friends of hers that are watching, good subscribe and whatever. And also the thing with this place is, it's honestly very nice. I take back the fact that the food was average. It wasn't average. I was just nitpicking a lot because Vietnam mein to khana hi nahi mila tha, to us hisab se this is really good. I am staying at Sentara Ras Fushi. I'm gonna put like all sorts of snippets of the place. It's really good. There are like so many activities. There's like a DJ night tonight. There are many things happening over here. And just, I'm sorry if the thing is wobbly. My tripod is not working functionally. But yeah, so there are just so many activities. You don't really have to do anything. Just come, relax, get some drinks, sit by the pool, by the beach. Just enjoy. And that's exactly what we were in the need of. So this is perfect for that. My mom is stealing shells from the ocean. It's almost like the sun has set. It's not night, it's just 6:45. This is the water villa area. I'm literally in the middle of the ocean. and it's so scary, like if someone gets drunk and falls or something. I'm scared for myself, but yeah. But it looks beautiful. There's no way I can show and do justice to this. I don't think that's going to be possible on an iPhone camera, but it looks beautiful. I could move here. I could genuinely move here. Like, look at that. That's gonna be a villa for one night, literally in between the ocean. We're going there to get some drinks now. This is so cool. There's this matka to clean your sandy. पानी ही नहीं आ रहा है इसमें. And we're locked out of the room. This is our dinner for tonight with some gin, and that's a pesto pasta, and this is a 4-cheese pizza. It's very nice. It's very fresh. It's my outfit for tonight. We have canned the night very early. We all are very dead. But you can hear some music in the background. But you all want to dance for, but nahi ho raha, aaj bahut tired hai. So this is it for tonight. My messy bed, and look at what I have woken up to. I literally ran immediately to the beach. I'm not gonna open this because फिर पूरा like condensation type हो जाता है यहाँ पे. Like it's so hot outside, it's so cold inside. But yeah, just look at the room, and this is me all ready to like go get some breakfast. Enjoy with my topi. I'm ready. We're on our way to get some breakfast. I love that my feet are always in touch with sand. I love it. It's a very nice feeling. It's an ocean view bar. I'll show you all the bars. Today I'm gonna vlog quite a lot. I'm gonna show a lot of the property also. So that's it. So that's the diving center, all of the amenities. We have to go to ocean, that is right here. Trying to be a bit mindful and healthy in a breakfast buffet. Getting oats, muesli, I don't know, whatever. This is Didi having a passion fruit for the first time. I had the same reaction, honestly. How is it? Yeah, that. It's like that. So this is where we had our breakfast. It's like Ocean's bar. It's like full in a cabana, and just there are like these other things you can do. There's a movie night tonight. This is the entry of the resort, I think. Yeah, oh, it says no entry, but I'm gonna go anyways. Yeah, it's the entry of the resort. Mom is looking literally like she's come straight from Maldives. This is my dad in his quad set. Very proud of his shopping purchase. And he's constantly asking us to take his photos. It's time for me to run to the beach. My mom, dad were on their 6th, 7th honeymoon. They enjoyed this trip the most. This trip was a lot about content too. I shot some and I was ready for the beach. We're ready for the beach / pool, whatever the day. This is my outfit. This is my cute bag with my sunscreen and my shades. Wow. Just chilling by the beach. Hi Papa.
Hi,
Say hi to my vlog. You'll see it on YouTube now. Have you subscribed to my channel?
Yes, so
He's
many
not.
times.
He can't do it so many times. Maldives आपको कैसा अच्छा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
और क्या चाहिए? पूल में बियर और कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
Full day pool.
Guys, we were so busy eating, I didn't get to vlog the food, but these are the desserts. This is a
Chocolate brownie.
chocolate brownie. What's this? Kangi honeycomb.
Honeycomb.
This is a banana something. Creme brulee. This is pina colada parfait. We're doing first impression of the dessert. This is the banana pudding. Creme brulee.
Doesn't even break.
Charred.
Too sweet.
What was that? Why are you giving an opinion first and my opinion will get like manipulated because of that? This is nice.
Yum.
The banana thing is good. There's some green ice cream. It's pistachio ice cream. I don't like the pistachio ice cream.
No,
What is this?
not breaking. Now for the
Pina colada parfait. We all have been
show stealer. Spoiled the show.
But this looks really nice.
This contains egg.
Doesn't have any flavor, no?
Can I egg nahe इनमें? वो खाना का पोका भरपूर है.
Some Sindhi for you. Doesn't taste like anything. I have tanned and how. We're just chilling post lunch nap ले रहे हैं हम यहाँ पे बैठ के. Not too sunny, but it's just can't look straight up. But might just go swim after. But right now we're just chilling and there's nothing. Might just pass out here as well. This is honestly my best outfit. I look like my bag, my crochet bag, and makeup is makeuping. Everything, hair is hairing. Everything's looking perfect. We've come to paddle, and I'm shitting bricks. Didi's doing the main leg work. Honestly, I'm a passenger princess here also. I'm getting too scared honestly. This is fatty padi hai. This is like deep ocean.
Yeah, it's deep.
Deep seas, waters.
See, it's just
I don't want to become fish food. Do you want to be fish food?
baby.
Can you see a shark?
No, I said baby sharks. We know, right? Brother.
I want to go back, Didi. The waves are not cooperating with us. Our resort was super cute. They had activities for us every day, and today we fed some baby sharks. This was me getting some videos for the gram and literally living life, watching the sunset, looking like a mama Sita. I love the vibe. Guys, what is this sky? Unreal. This was our dinner and we had a movie night where we watched Letters to Juliet, and that was all about day 2 in Maldives. Good morning guys. Today is our second last day here. We have upgraded and moved to an overwater villa, which is very scary because I was so used to running to the beach as soon as I wake up. I can't do that here. I'm going to become fish food. So that's about it. The trip comes almost to an end. Today is our last day to like really chill out and relax and do all the things. It's my sister's birthday tomorrow, so tonight will be the bring-in. We're sleeping very early here. We're sleeping like at around 10:30, 11. We just fall asleep. So I mean, इधर और कुछ करने को भी नहीं है उसके बाद. In our defense, I've just come in my night suit and my topi. That's literally about it. अभी हम breakfast खाएंगे. We will get some breakfast and then move to our villa and get ready. I want to do an island girl makeup. What is this? Is a snail? इधर का snail. No, it's a spider. Don't look at its legs. It's a fat, big spider. Today's itinerary: shark snorkeling, couple massage, private dining you can do, and there's a mixology class which I'm definitely gonna go. That's my breakfast today. I'm not having much. Of course, I'm gonna have the desserts later, but this is some healthy juice shot. This is the hash brown. This is one chicken sausage. This is idli with some chutney, and that's a muesli, blueberry muesli. My Monday blues versus yours versus mine once I'm watching this also on YouTube. They're writing these cute notes that we can stick on this big heart. I said forever a beach babe, and then I couldn't do much this trip. I couldn't like snorkel or anything because of my LASIK. Very upset about that, but life is such. Then we've also written live life, dive size. This is Didi and my initial. This was us shifting to the overnight water villa. It's Didi's birthday tomorrow, so for her bringing, they've given us a cake, some champagne. That is champagne, right? Yeah, I don't know, whatever. And they've made our bed. How cute! I love being a roomie of a birthday girl. Woo! That is our room, our overnight water villa room. This is the washroom, pretty basic, generic. This is for my sister, and that is the view, guys. Like, can you just, I walk in, I'm in my room, and then I'm in the ocean. Guys, if you cannot notice, yeah, oh my god, the whole villa is very shaking because we're in the ocean. Yeah, can you see the, oh my god. Then I moved on to shoot some more content. I did a makeup video. Go check my Instagram for that. After getting some really good Instagram videos and photos, we moved to the pool and had some more pina coladas. We were just drinking so much pina coladas, but that's the vibe in Maldives. There's literally nothing else to do than get drunk, sit by the pool, sit by the beach, and that's about it. Watermelon feta salad, chicken alfredo pasta, some tacos, I think avocado tacos, this burger with some fries. That's our lunch for the day. We are so dead. It's around 3:45 here. Went to the pool, grabbed some lunch, went to do paddle boating, and now we're just heading back to our water villa. Honestly, if you're not that into it, don't get it, because our beach one was way better. Just you had immediate access to the beach. यहाँ पे beach तक जाने में बहुत हालत हो जाती है, and plus it's really hot. So I mean, definitely do a second guess on that. Plus this is really expensive. Also, this moves randomly. Like, you'll be doing your own thing and then it suddenly starts shaking. So that's scary. But it looks really pretty. Like, I've shown the view already, but yeah, like, it looks really pretty. The saddest part about the trip was that I couldn't really do any water activities or snorkel or anything literally that revolved putting my face inside the water, because I got my LASIK done 10 days prior to the trip, so that's all that I did. Snorkeling literally in the middle of the ocean, and that's my sister. Guys, I cannot believe this was my view all these many days. Today is the last sunset I'm gonna get to see here, and it's beyond beautiful. So it is looking too apt for the place. Firstly though, it's full on flowy with a slit. It's looking too nice. We are gonna put this, mine says forever a beach babe. This was my outfit for my sister's birthday bring in. We popped the champagne and the resort got us a cake.
See that girl, watch that scene, singing the dancing queen.
My mom is super into for all of this, so she sang a Hindi song, Chura Liya Hai Tumne Jo Dil Ko, but no one understood.
How was your trip?
It was phenomenal. This is a roundup of the trip. I am right next to the water villa doing chop chop, ready to go swim, but 10 on 10 recommend. this place.
How many more days would you stay if given an opportunity?
I think I would stay like, I think 2 more days at max, because I can't snorkel or anything because of my LASIK. But otherwise, if I could snorkel and do like fun activities, I would stay a month. I would survive here a month.
Best part of the trip?
It was my sister's birthday and she's recording it, so that. But otherwise, just the view, the sunset, the pretty skies, the beach, the water, everything is so clean. I feel that was the best part of it.
Worst part of the trip?
Our water villa shakes, man. It's scary.
Our water villa does not have a swirl pool.
Yeah, water villa. It is in the ocean, so I don't care about the swirl pool, but it shakes. So it's not the worst part. It's kind of scary. And the worst part is I couldn't do anything because of my LASIK. That's the worst part of it.
Okay, good night.
Good
Bye.
night, bye. Okay, so if you have a sister, you're gonna get this. This was literally my core memory from the trip. This was us doing our skincare, packed our bags, just laughing into nothingness, and that was about the last night. Guys, we've just woken up. Our bags are almost packed, but look at that view. I woke up to this. Tomorrow I'm gonna wake up to can't, the crows crowing and construction noises. But whatever, love Bombay as well. My mom is screaming from the other side of the balcony. Let me show you. Oh, hello. Good morning. Wow. The water is literally glowing. It's hello, good morning. Today is the last day here. Gonna miss this so much. I am just wearing my costume with shirt and my beach towel because here we can not go for breakfast just in your costume, which I think is justified. But yeah, I'm gonna feel so sad. This water noise, like the constant waves hitting the shore, sand on your feet. Gonna miss these things so much. Honestly, I'm so sleep deprived. Yesterday was Didi's bring-in, so we slept pretty late. Otherwise, we were very used to sleeping by 10:30. Because यहाँ पे कुछ है नहीं ज़्यादा रात को करने को, which I've told I think multiple times. But yeah, look at the view, man. Gonna miss this water villa and the beach one. The beach one was really nice. Just run, wake up and go to the beach. यहाँ पे बहुत चलना है. Look at the sun. It's my sister's birthday and she's by the ocean all alone. Who hurt you, bro? Now she's making a happy birthday to you. Didi, are you okay?
Yes.
Do you feel loved? She says, of course. I hope she does. Last few hours in, oh my god, my aankhein. Last few hours in Maldives. I don't think Didi and I want to make peace with it that we're going. We're not making peace with it. We're just lying down by the beach. Abhi pool mein jaake aaye. I'm listening to some jive music or some sort of music and the waves. Very sad, but hope to see Maldives soon. Hoping for Didi's proposal, and I hope I can come as the cameraman because I want to live this life. If future Jiju is watching this one's for you. Maldives proposal is a very good idea. You approve? You agree? She. Didi maan gayi. Didi maan. Okay, guys, signing off from Malé. Maybe I might just shoot some more. Might give a goodbye from my room also. But goodbye to the pool right there. Goodbye to this beach. Beautiful, lovely beach. We'll miss you, Maldives. Last pina colada of the trip. Literally 5 minutes before we have to get into a speedboat. I'm just say bye-bye.
So before the departure, please kindly check the passport.
Go.